Hi everybody, this is Sue, and it is now 8:30 in the evening. It is December 21st, 2023, and guess what I did today? Well, I did lots of things today, but I was on the Walmart website, and I noticed that these little Brother sewing machines, this one over here was $88. Well, the black ones are on sale for $78. And I thought, $78, huh? Okay, I'll take you up on that. So, I'm going to do an unboxing of the $78 sewing machine. And I'm not disappointed in that little machine. So, I put in a pickup order at Walmart, went to the movies, and when I got out of the movies, I had a text that my order was ready. Okay, so I went and picked it up. I had quite a day today. Dropped something on the floor. Yeah, these are the accessories. We've already been over the accessories. The book. And a book like this for a sewing machine is unusual anymore. Usually it's online and you have to log into their website to get the book. So there we go. It just wanted to be stubborn. There's the foot pedal and some packing material. And let me turn on the overhead light. I forgot to do that. There, I put a little bit of light on the subject. All right. So here is the plastic wrap off of it. There's a piece of tape right there. I just having trouble getting a hold of it. All right. Here it is. Black. A little black sewing machine. Let's see if I can turn these lights around here so you can see it a little bit better. So, it's exactly the same as the blue one, except it's, I call it black, because it's got all this black design up here. I don't know how well you can see that. But it's black, it's got gray and blue stripes, and let's see if I can turn it better. There, does that show up better? And but I thought it would be well worth the $78 to just go ahead and get the second machine. And so I guess Merry Christmas to me. But anyway, this is it. It's got all the accessories. It's got everything in it. So I just thought it was well worth the $78 to go ahead and get it. And I've got it if I need it. And if I don't, well, I've got it anyway. So, I guess I will talk to you guys later. I think this is going to be an excellent buy. I'm pleased with it, excited about it, and so we'll see. Thank you very much for watching, and I appreciate it. And oh, I was going to tell you about my day, wasn't I? I did have quite a day. I've been having trouble with my refrigerator. It keeps freezing up. And the maintenance man came the other day, and he spent practically the entire day trying to thaw that machine out, trying to thaw that refrigerator out. Well, the last couple of days, I haven't felt too good. I've been having trouble with my back. My back's been hurting, and so I didn't call, but I knew I was going to have to. So I called first thing this morning, and the manager just tore into me. I've known her for years. She goes to my church, and she just tore into me about that refrigerator. And I told her, I said, I didn't do anything to it. And she was just, we won't go into that. So the maintenance man came a few minutes later. He took everything out, and he went and got his gun. He asked me if it was okay if he got his heat gun, and I said, yeah, that's fine. Go ahead and go get it. Because it's noisy, and he was afraid that it would disturb me. And I said, I'll just put on my headphones and turn on some loud music, and it'll be fine. Well, it didn't take him very long to thaw it out. It was just a big chunk of ice that was in there. It didn't take him very long. And so I told him, I said, I'm having a medical procedure this morning, so I may have to leave before you're done. And he said, well, that's fine. So he was done before I had to leave. So then I went and I had to have a laser treatment on my cataract lens. So, and that didn't take very long. And so then I asked the doctor, I said, I don't know how my eyes are. I said, can I go to the movies this afternoon? And he said, yeah, go ahead and go. If you want to go to the movies. So I went to the movies. And before I left, I ordered this little machine. And then when I got back from the movies, I got a text that it was ready. And it said, when I ordered it, said it wouldn't be ready till tomorrow. So I went and picked it up. It's raining now, so I'm not going to go out dumpster diving tonight. So anyway, that was my day. So again, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.